How to pin comments on TikTok. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to pin a comment on TikTok. It's so easy and quick, so let's jump in. First thing you should do is go to your TikTok. Click on profile and like you see, I only have one video. Click on it. And now I'm gonna click on those 3 points, and for example those are my comments. And another one. Now to pin this comment, all I need to do is keep holding or keep clicking on the screen and click on the third choice, which is pin comment. Now this comment have pinned. So this is it guys, hope this video was helpful to you, and if you like the video don't forget to subscribe and like.